just see what the old dingo can do. How quickly it can make it disappear. So honestly, not bad. I mean, it did it probably, that took 4 minutes, 5 minutes, not too long. I mean, I could have done all of it, but I don't really need that much on my job. This is, I don't even know how many tons it is, but it's enough. You know, it would have been a little bit faster too if I didn't have a 4-in-1. This is kind of a smaller bucket, so it doesn't really carry too much per scoop. I'm just laying it by. But yeah, dude, these things are freaking workhorses. Something even bigger would be crazy, like an Ir1000, like an SK3000. That'd be super, super cool. But yeah, man, definitely a good